Welcome back to Weather Plus, everybody. I'm Tony Martin. Time to take a look at the pattern overview, and of course we're going to focus on some of the big travel times for this week. We're going to jump right into Thanksgiving morning. We do have some weather to talk about across our parts of the world. Upper level charts by Thursday morning, which is Thanksgiving. We have low pressure forming across parts of the Great Lakes. That will begin to energize and work its way off towards the north and east, right along a cold front. Now, by the time we get into Thanksgiving night, that area of low pressure begins to move up into Canada, and it does eventually drag that area of colder air across our part of the world. So by the time we get into the evening hours on Thanksgiving, we are dealing with a northwesterly wind, and that will start to cool us off. It looks like in the morning, temperatures will be pretty close to 50 degrees, and there will be some rain falling. On the flip side, once we get into the afternoon, that front goes by, and that's when the cold gates open once again, and looks like some of that rain will begin to mix with a little bit of snow. Let's jump forward another 24 hours. We get into Friday, Black Friday. That area of low pressure continues its journey off towards the north and east, and we are in a pretty broad northwesterly flow here, and that will generate some lake effect snow showers. This looks to be some of the coldest air of the season so far, coming in for a short shot as we get into the end of the week on Friday. Now, another thing that we're going to be looking at as we get into the weekend, this is Saturday. An area of high pressure builds in through Canada. This will be a cold high, obviously. Also, we have an area of low pressure forming across the Four Corners region of the southwest, and depending on how fast that area of low pressure comes out will determine what kind of precipitation we get from it. The longer it takes to kick out from the southwest, that means the better the chance that we warm up across the northeast, and therefore just plain old rain. Again, we'll be watching that towards the end of the weekend. Here's a look at precipitation. Here's Thanksgiving morning, an area of rain working through the area. Things will start off in the form of liquid, but by the time we do get into Thanksgiving night, we're into the colder air and a few snow showers across the area.